Well, here's one of the radios I was talking about in my last video. It's a Philco roll top portable. The handle, the leather handle, is broken off and missing, so we'll have to do something about that. The case is in fairly good shape for its age. I'm not exactly sure what year it is, but it's actually in fairly good shape. This faux alligator skin is still, it's got some blemishes and some stains on it, but it's still in pretty good shape. This does run on 110 and battery both. I believe they turn, yeah, and the back comes off of it. And there is the, let's get this out of the way. There's the battery pack down below there. It still has the guarantee safety UL sticker. I don't know when they started, the UL laboratory started, but now I know this runs on 110 too, but I believe the cord is gone, corroded, or just rotted away. You know, this plastic or these old rubber, whatever they made them out of were crap, so they fall apart. I did see the connector for the battery. Let's see if we can get a better look at that. The connector for the battery is broken, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to do there. Hopefully I can come up with something or make something. I don't know if it'll ever run on battery again. I don't know. But I can see how that got broken. You know, there's no place for it to be stowed, really. There's a switch here for 110 and battery operation. It seems kind of wonky. Let's see if we can get a look inside of it a little better. Right here. Can you see it? Yeah. Try and not get too much light on that. But it looks like it's a model 48360. So I know these early Philcos, the first number is the model year. So it's a pretty interesting radio. It's going to be a challenge, it looks like. But hopefully all of the tubes are okay. There's some really small tubes in this. Really small tubes, but I don't think it's anything that I can't handle, maybe. I don't know about this battery, what's going to happen here. So, and it looks like the antenna is here. It looks like the antenna is here. Like it's a strip. It goes around. And it is over here as well behind the sticker. Let's see, the light isn't all that great. You can kind of see it there. I believe that's the antenna. It's like a band that goes around. This looks really bad. Wow, did not notice that. That has exploded. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and get in there a little better. Yeah, look at that. Holy smokes. That thing is split. Holes blown in it. This might not be a good deal here. Wow. Looks like that got really hot and almost melted, maybe even. I don't know. That's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. Let's see if we can get a close-up of that. Wow. Well, we'll be removing that for sure, huh? Incredible. Well, it'll be pretty cool to look at when I get it out. That don't look good either. That coil there looks like it's cracked the plastic or wax on it, so hopefully that's okay. Still got the wax capacitors in there, you can see that, so. Alright, well. I'll raise the camera up a little bit so you can get a look at the top of it a little bit better here. Yeah, corrosion. Look like they're crappily covered, but it does look like, judging from the color of this one, it does look like you'd be able to paint it. I'll try and polish them up if they will clean up. What I really like about this is this roll top. It's pretty cool. It seems fragile, but it survived since 1948, so I'm not sure if the tuning... Alright, well, it's hard to see in there. Alright, there it is. It works. So the string is still hooked up in there. That's still working like it should. Switch sounds good, but we'll see. Alright, I'll put the back on this and go put it away, and then I'll get out one of the other radios.